If you want some cheap and reliable Ultimate Team coins, go to MMOGA, link in the description. Please can we get 10 likes in this pack opening video? It would be absolutely great if we can. Hey guys, UT Fifa here, and today I'm back with another pack opening, yay! So let's start. No, I don't want that. That just went stupid. Ignore that. Right. So let's open this pack. 152 points. I'm gonna close, turn around, not look. Did I get anyone good? Anyone good? Nothing at all. Wow. Great pack. Wow, that was a great pack, wasn't it? You guys, if you want to see me do more pack openings, drop a like on these videos. Right, who am I going to get in this one? I have got... Wow. No, these packs are just terrible. I'm sorry, but they just are. Wow. So this pack's got Messi on it. Hopefully we'll get a Messi. Doubt it, but worth a try. Oh! Oh! That's actually quite good. That's quite good. I'm keeping him. Got Dante. Or Dante, whatever you want to call him. That's got Hazard on it. Looks pretty promising. Seems quite promising. Skip. Oh! Got Jack Wilshere. Two Real Madrid players. They might come in handy actually. So, yep, discard that. I've got Jack Wilshere. I can't remember the two names of them two players I just got. Got Messi on it again, hopefully. Oh, oh. That went very good. That was worth it, wasn't it? Not. Right, so I'm gonna open 3 more packs. Let's see who we get. Coke. Actually, wasn't Coke. That was another rubbish pack. Oh my god, why am I getting so many rubbish packs? They're terrible, man. Right, this is the second from last pack, and we get what the hell? Wow, that was brilliant, wasn't it? Not. Oh look, we got football. Great. Right, so this is the last pack. Last pack I'm gonna open. Come on, please can we get someone good? Oh! Diego Alves, that's quite good actually. That's actually quite good. That is quite good. What league is he in now? I don't know. I'm sending him my club. Discard the rest. So guys, that has been my pack opening video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out Double Smashes and Aztec Void and the last video. And yeah, peace.